first attempt. Second thing I would like to focus about is one of your video that you posted on exactly May 9, 2020.
Yeah.
Exactly, I'm telling you the date so that everybody can view it also. So
I'm here from Language Academy, guys. Very proud to have Ankit with me today, one of our online students from India. Very first attempt, a perfect 90. 19 speaking, 90 reading, 89 listening, 89 writing. That is a score everyone dreams about. You've got in the very first attempt. Congratulations, Ankit. Very well done.
Thanks a lot, Varun. Thanks for having me here. It's a pleasure.
Thank you. Great to have you. Ankit, very first attempt, a perfect 90. What is the secret?
Yes.
I really want to know. I'm really curious. How have you done it?
See, there were just the two things that I would really like to focus upon. First one is the program that you have created. It's really amazing. The platform that you have created as a language academy. I'm really impressed. It was my first attempt. Second thing I would like to focus about is one of your video that you posted on exactly May 9, 2020.
Yeah.
Exactly, I'm telling you the date so that everybody can view it also. So that is based upon the how to prepare for the PTE exam, 14 days proven success plan by the Varun.
Yeah.
If you do remember that.
Yeah.
So I found it. Luckily, I found that, and I followed your plan, and so this was the secret for me.
So basically, keeping it simple, following the platform, and having a plan in place is what helped you to crack it in the very first go.
Exactly.
Ankit, see, being an online student can sound a bit difficult at times, but you've got 90 studying online in the very first go. How important is mock test? Because I see students neglect taking any kind of mock test, taking feedback. How important is feedback and the mock test?
See, that was the this is the really a major form that you have taken it out right now. So I would like to say that it was really difficult for me also. I'm doing the job, I'm associated with the NHI, into the construction field. So that is really a 9 to 7 job, or you don't need the time how to do it. But the thing that was important was that really the mock test and the feedback that especially the tutors gave me. I especially like to thank the tutors, all that helped in the online video classes. So that is really an important part, the feedback of the tutors. They exactly know where you are making the mistakes, where you can improve it. And that is really, and mock tests are the biggest platform I have ever seen. I've even heard about the online classes that the teachers are giving somewhere in the, about very well in the Karnal, very well in the Punjab and across the sector. But these mock tests are really beneficial for conducting the work. And especially if you are conducting them during the, before the 1 week. So they are really important.
Yes. That's 100% correct. Taking as many mock tests before your test, especially a week before your test, will give you a clear idea.
Exactly. Yes.
What mistakes you're making, because 99% you will make the same mistakes you're making in the mock test in the actual test as well. There's no point
exactly
money taking the test. It's better you have got the free mock test, you take the mock test, see what mistakes you're making under time pressure in the exam environment, repeat the mock test again, but make sure you do not make the same mistakes again and again. Once you do find the test, go for the test, get a perfect 90 like Ankit has done. Ankit,
exactly.
Students in India, in Australia as well, they've been practicing for very long. They're not getting their desired scores. Any final tips, any advice for them how they can get a dream score like you have done?
See, it's all about the practice, just like you're telling right now. It's everything about the practice, whatever you are practicing. So I'll go with the zone by zone, in the online platform you have created in the speaking zone. So in the speaking zone, what I really focused upon, I played some of the background music in the starting. So that was my main technique, so that when you are doing in the exam center, there are too many students are speaking at the same time, and you really get confused. Oh, what I'm doing, what should I speak? So you don't need to worry about that. Their microphone, their voices will not be catched by your microphone. So you need to focus upon that part. And there will be 3 to 4 short one, and the 2 to 3 medium length, and 1 to 2 long length sentences that you have to repeat. So you need to focus upon that. Repeat sentences are really important, I must say, if you want to score. And make sure you're speaking in 30-second plus. I tried my best to at least to speak about 35 seconds in the describe, image, and read the lectures. And if you talk about the answer short question, you just need to repeat the keywords if you are not knowing about the answers. That is the main technique.
Correct.
You just don't need to sit silent. At least you lose marks in the speaking also.
Correct.
And the one most important thing I would like to point out, Varun, I guess nobody has pointed out, that you'll be given a plastic sheet in that part.
Yes.
I was not aware about that part. And you will be given a marker. That
Yes.
marker is very pointly, very thin. Sometimes
Yes.
you don't need to catch up by your writing. So I was practicing on the pen and page. So that was really a different experience for me. I was not even able to write some of the points like that. You need to just take care about that part. That is most important one.
Correct. Correct.
Second one is the writing zone. I just don't need to say anything. Your templates are just too amazing. I just stuck to that part only.
Thank you.
I don't even shift to any other part. I just stick to your templates only. And in the reading zone is just about the practicing the grammar part. That totally depends upon what grammar you are doing. And the reading part, I'll just suggest the timing is very important.
Yes.
The making of the timing is really, really important. You won't believe that I finished the last question over the last 5 seconds.
Oh.
So I managed the time. Yeah, I managed the time really well. So I'll suggest everyone who is watching the view, just you need to speak. You need to practice a lot about the reading part.
Yeah, that's right.
And in the listening zone, I'll just say if you just want to score the 79 plus, you just stick to the summarize part only.
Yeah.
You just don't need to write everything that you need to write from everything to impress anyone. You're just working with the AI. You have to just take marks out from the AI only. So the computer will be completely assessing you. And in the MCQ single and multiple answer, I don't think you need to waste a lot of time. And in the highlight the text and the incorrect summary, that you can score the full marks. That is really, really easy. The important one here is the this writing the full words and the initial. Like in my online classes, tutor every time told me that you can write 4 to 5 words extra in case you are getting confused. That really, really helped me a lot. I was sometimes confused between the S and ES. That really helped me a lot. So overall, so this is the strategy that I followed. The rest, thanks to your platform. And really, like I'm not saying that Language Academy is too good, and I'm not making a PR of your part, but really, really, like it's totally worth it if you are going through the online mock test. I was really helpful in that part.
Really appreciate it, Ankit.
Yes.
See, these are the golden points, golden tips coming from someone who has scored a perfect 90 in the very first go in such a short time period. You need to understand it, and you need to keep everything, basic and simple and to the point. He has summarized each and everything. Read aloud, repeat sentence, and you're speaking, focus on your clarity. Writing, follow your templates. Reading, don't spend time on MCQs, manage your time. Listening, focus on write from dictations, add extra words. Listening, blanks and highlight incorrect words. Full points, summarize spoken text. If you're not sure about any word, do not write it. And these few tips can help you get a perfect 90. Congratulations, Ankit. All the very best. Really,
thank you. Thanks a lot.
It's a pleasure talking and having you here. Perfect 90 in such a short time span. Really proud of you, and all the best.
Thanks a lot, Varun. Thanks a lot for the material, and I would personally like to thank every tutor that you have provided and the platform that you have created. It's really amazing. Thank you.
Thank you. Really appreciate it, guys. Remember this thing: if Ankit has scored, if I have scored, if many students are getting their desired scores in the very first go, you can as well. You just need to keep it simple, follow the basics, do not overcomplicate it. Take mock test, take feedback, go for the test, and crack it in the very first go. If I've done it, you can do it as well. Just work smart in the right direction under the right guidance, and scores will be with you. Varun from Language Academy. If you need any help, you can give us a call or contact us on this number. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.